Yo, this is Martin here with another video, how to get millions of views on social media even if you are stupid. Before we get started, I just want to say this channel here is pure value. Usually I don't do a lot of edits on this channel. I just share all of my business advice and my social media advice here. So if you are interested in getting views, growing followers, making money online, making money on social media, specifically not just online, then this is perfect for you if you have struggle growing your following or you just want to boost your following. So on my screen right here, I have all the fundamentals written down and all the information. Before we get started, you should know that if you know how to get a lot of views on social media, you can make a lot of money. This is usually the case. This is not always the case. I've seen people get millions of views, literally millions of views, and not be able to make a single penny with it. I used to know a guy from India who I think had like in total over 10 million followers in Instagram accounts. 10 million followers on one fucking device. But he made no money, and this is also the exact reason why he contacted me back in the day. That was like years ago, 2021. He contacted me, Martin, I'm not making any money. And honestly, I couldn't help him either because his views were just not worth anything, right? So this generally means if you know how to get views, you can make a lot of money if you know what you're doing, but sometimes there are exceptions. By the way, if you don't know who I am, my name is Martin. I've generated over 500,000 followers in the past couple of years across multiple accounts, and our company is currently doing over $500,000 a year in revenue. We are an affiliate marketing, affiliate creator, and digital product company. So what we do essentially is we train people to get millions of views on social media, sell digital products and sell products and make that their income. Here you can see some of our affiliate accounts, some of my own accounts as well. Here's some of our faceless creators that we had in the past. This is my account here, for example, another one of my accounts. All I essentially do is I run multiple accounts across social media, get millions of views, and sell digital products. The strategy that I've used and I also train all of my affiliates with is called the mirror strategy. If you don't know, I run a program called Affiliate Pro, where we essentially take existing creators who are already posting content online, and we improve their content by 10x and we improve their revenue by 10x. So if you're a creator who is already creating content and you are, maybe struggling a bit with views, or maybe you're getting super decent views but you're not making any money, check out Affiliate Pro. It's in the description. It's not super expensive. It's essentially a community. We're going to have calls together. I'm going to show you exactly how to boost your views and what to sell. We have multiple products that you can just pick and sell, and you can make a lot of money with those. So if you're interested, just checking out Affiliate Pro, you can do that in the description. The strategy that I always train my affiliates with, and I'm literally giving this away here, is called the mirror strategy. It essentially means if you are a stupid person and you're not the smartest person like I am, you usually don't want to come up with your own stuff. You usually just want to mirror other people. And this is where the mirror strategy also comes from. Mirroring essentially means you want to adapt to someone and you want to copy what they are doing, or essentially do it very similar. On the left here, I have your content, right? You post video 1, video 2, video 3, and on the right we have a viral creators video. So video 1, video 2, video 3. The biggest mistake that people make when they want to make money online or they want to grow millions of views online is the worst thing that you can do, and you will probably in 99.9% of cases, you will fail if you do that, is trying to come up with your own shit. If you try to come up with your own shit on social media, come up with your own hooks, come up with your own retention parts, come up with your own stories, come up with your own call to actions, come up with your own ideas, you will fail in 99.9% of cases, because that would be innovation or inventing. But inventing and innovation, let's leave that to Elon Musk. Let's leave that to the Silicon Valley guys. Let's leave that to China and all of the big industry guys. We are social media guys. We want to get thousands, hundreds and thousands of millions of views, and we want to make a fuck ton of money doing that. And for that, we do not need to innovate. We just need to mirror what's already working. We're going to take advantage of trends. So the mirror strategy, how does it look like? If you're creating content right now, so you are a creator who maybe doesn't even make a lot of money yet. Once again, if you don't make a lot of money with your content, but you already post content, you want to do that long term, check out Affiliate Pro, because I'm going to show you exactly what products you can sell and how to 10x your views in the matter of a couple weeks and months. So if you're a creator right now who's getting views, but it's not quite popping yet, one of the usual problems is that you don't really mirror other creators that are already successful. Literally, the way I got millions of views for all of these affiliates here, and even for my own accounts, is I usually just take a look at a creator who's doing something similar to me, and I one-on-one rip the shit out of his content or her content. I just rip the same script, rip the same call to action, rip the same content style, and I one-on-one copy it. Now, I don't always one-on-one copy it. Sometimes I change things up, and I'm going to give you an example here in the end, as I've written down as well. I'm going to show you a couple examples of what the mirror strategy actually looks like on Instagram in order for you to get views. But here's what you want to do essentially. If you post content, step number one, what you want to do is head to the explore page. Some people may also know it as the For You page. Sorry, for me it's the explore page. Head over to the explore page and train your algorithm to fit to your niche. So if you post content about artificial intelligence right now and you're artificial intelligence news creator, and you go to your explore page and you see girls dancing, that you have definitely trained your algorithm the wrong way. So you want to train your algorithm to view and show you content that is similar to your stuff as well. Step number two, find your favorite creator out of those, but she needs to perform well right now. So it doesn't matter, like it won't help you if you find a creator right now who performed 2 years ago. You need to find videos and creators who get a lot of views right now in your niche. What you want to do is follow them, save their video, put them in an Excel sheet. I don't care. Just somehow save that shit. And what you want to do is, step number 3, start mirroring them. Start the mirror strategy. What you want to do is, you want to now take one of those videos, recreate the video. So just rip the script and adapt it to your product, adapt it to your style, and then post 5, 10, maybe 15 videos of those. If that doesn't work, go to the next creator and mirror their content for 5 to 10 to 15 videos. And you do that until you find your winning piece of content. Once you found your winning piece of content, you can milk the shit out of that and it can make you a lot of money, like I'm going to show you in the examples in a second. So that's what you want to do. You just want to mirror other people in your niche who are working and getting views right now. You don't want to come up with your own stuff. Don't be Elon Musk. Be someone on social media, be a smart creator, be a smart affiliate creator, and just mirror other people. So let's move forward to the examples. You obviously don't want to have theory. You want to see all of this in real life. So this is one of my accounts, SFC Martin. I've actually showed this account to one of my friends today, or he kind of just magically found it, to be fair. So we had a conversation about that. Pretty cool. But this is my account, SFC Martin. And for many people wondering right now, you might be thinking, whoa, this guy has a big personal brand. This is not my personal brand. This is just a test account. I used to have multiple of those accounts, grew tens of thousands of followers just to show people you can achieve everything with the mirror strategy if you wanted to. So this is not my personal brand. In fact, I don't really do too much on this account. This is just one of my test accounts. But let me show you how the mirror strategy looks like. So when I started out with this account, which was only really 30 posts ago, this is, by the way, real, right? This is not, I have not bought any followers whatsoever. But essentially what I did is I created some content over here, which didn't really fully work. And then I went to one business owner's, like one of our business partners' pages, and took a look at his content, and 2 or 3 of his reels were performing extremely well. It was specifically the one with the script that I have in here. So what I did is I took a look at his video, which is super similar to what I do in the online money making niche, selling an online money making product. So what I did is I literally ripped his script one-on-one. So I copied his script one-on-one. All I changed up was I changed everything to our product. That's all I did. The call to actions, I changed to our product. The explanation part changed to our product. And as you can see, works pretty nicely. 14K views, 50K, 30K, almost 1 million views, 60K, 10K, 50K, 600K, 10K, 20K. Let's take a look at one of those videos. Let's take a look at the most successful one here.
I think I found the... I fucking did it! Woo! I think I found the easiest side hustle even a 6-year-old could start. And that's because almost no one knows about it, and it's super easy to get started with. Make sure to save this video because I'm exposing secrets like these all the time. The best part is I already made over $34,000 in September simply by doing this side hustle. And if you want to do the exact same thing for 100% free, make sure to step number 1, follow me, and step number 2, comment the flag of your country under this video, and I'm going to send you a 100% free video over that explains how this works in detail.
The exact script in this video, I have literally copied one-on-one from an old business partner of ours, which is Luke Gosling. Luke, if you see this, don't know what to tell you, man. I copied your script. Let's try to find this guy. I don't know if I will. Where's that guy? Main account, Luke Gosling. There we go. There we go. All right. I'm going to actually show you the exact script that I copied from him back in the day. And as you can see, that script instantly worked. So just to show you once again, right? We have the account now. The mirror strategy works in a way that you copy someone's content, you change it up a tiny bit. So something unique that I did is I created this in a POV style. So I was walking essentially and doing this with my hands. Luke didn't do that, but I took his script. I took the majority of the video and copied it. Sure, I put some different things into it. I put a different hook in, did this POV stuff, which performed amazingly. But you can see, here I did something else for 8 videos. Not 8, 6 videos. Then I copied Luke's style, and as you can see, it instantly performed. If you copy someone's style, you need to copy their style for 5 to 15 videos. Never do that only for 1 or 2 videos because you don't have enough data. When you copy someone's style or you copy their script or their hook or whatever, right? You don't have to one-on-one rip everything. But when you mirror someone, what you want to do is you want to mirror that content for 5 to 15 posts. Not only for 1 or 2 posts, because you need to test it for a longer period of time. If after 15 posts it still doesn't work, sure, go for a different creator. That's what I did here as well. That's what I always do. I always mirror a creator for 15 posts, usually 10, 15 posts. If it doesn't work, then I change up the content strategy. But as you can see here, it worked perfectly. And now guess what? Once you find your winning piece of content, which is this script, I used it over and over and over again. Do you think that in any of these videos here, 900,000 views, 60,000 views, 50,000 views, 600,000 views, 20,000 views, 14,000 views, do you think in any of these videos I've used a different script? I've used the exact same script over and over. Now you might be thinking, oh, don't people get bored of that? No, they don't. If you have a winning piece of content, do not change it up. I'm going to quote Steve Jobs here, never change a running system. If you have a running system, do not fucking change it up. I don't know how often I have to tell creators in Affiliate Pro that they need to stop changing things up if it's working. If you had a video that performed magically better than other ones, then don't change it up. Keep it and improve it, right? So the exact same script I used over and over and over again here, and that is the mirror strategy. Let me quickly show you from Luke Gosling. Why? Where did he go now? He's just gone. The Luke Gosling, boom. By the way, shout out to Luke Gosling. He bought a car recently. It was one of those videos here. I'm not sure which one, but one of his old videos I literally copied. It was quite some time ago. Let me try to find it. Must be one of those videos here. There it is.
Where's the month with this? Because nobody knows about it and it's super simple to get started with. Make sure to save this video for later because I'm exposing the exact strategy to become successful at this. And the craziest thing is that this business model is making me over $300,000 per year. But unfortunately, Instagram Reels are too short to explain everything. So comment the word IG down below.
I don't know if you somehow understand the script, but let's take a look at
A
it.
6-year-old could make money with. And that's because almost no one knows about it and it's super easy to get started with. The best part is I already...
It's the exact same script. And why did it work? Because it worked on him, right? So, guys, that's essentially everything for today. If you want to become a successful creator and an affiliate creator, here are a couple examples for you. Once again, if you know how to turn your content into views, you're going to make a lot of money regardless. So the mirror strategy, that's what I would do. Do not be scared to copy other people's content. That was me, Martin. If you want to become successful, use the mirror strategy to your advantage. And if you are a creator, you're already posting content, you want to do that full time, and you actually want to get a lot of views, you want to do that for the next 10 years and then maybe retire in 10, 15 years, and you want to have products to sell, a great community and network, check out Affiliate Pro. Affiliate Pro is not just a community. I'm actually going to get in contact with you one-on-one, and I'm going to show you exactly what our top creators are doing so you can become a profitable affiliate creator yourself with the mirror strategy and everything that we have in there. Make a lot of money with your affiliate product, and then perhaps travel around the world like I'm doing it and record more content. That was it. Hope that was useful for some people. Mirror strategy, how to get millions of views even if you are stupid.